know only the niggas that ain't been through nothing, that never seen nothing bad happen in life. You know them is the only niggas that go out there in the street and try to create bad shit and create destruction for themselves and for their community and for their family. You know niggas that actually had to go through shit that they didn't have nothing to do with. They had never want to keep doing shit to keep going through the same pain. They keep going through that same suffering. Every nigga in the streets, they look at that shit like it's fun. They wake up and be happy to grab a switch. They be happy to put their ski mask on, bro. Niggas that really going through that shit, they don't want that shit, bro. So if you see a nigga out there, he want to be out there, bro. Niggas that's really going through some shit, they trying whatever the fuck they can do to get away from that shit, bro. They going to the military, they staying in the house all day. They doing whatever the fuck they gotta do. So don't get fooled, bro. All them niggas out there, they want that shit. They want to die. They want to just, they think they getting some type of real money, some long-term money. All they're doing is making they fucking peoples look bad and make they self look bad, bro. So every nigga that's in the streets, you know is a fucking goofy, a bitch-ass coward, bro. So don't be one.